Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sayre once again, coming back at you with a new video. Today I'm coming at you with a how to apply lashes tutorial. You know, these lashes looking real good on my eyes, flying away. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when it comes to applying lashes is apply mascara, but you want to apply just one coat. Today I'm going in with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, and I'm just going to apply the mascara on my lashes, just like this. Now that that's done, you want to go in with a pair of lashes that you decide you want to wear for the day. So I'm going to go in with these lashes. They are from Miss 3D Volume Lashes. And I just got this from a beauty supply store. And this is in the number M314. So when you take the lashes out, you want to make sure that you take them out pretty gentle. So what I like to do is I like to take my tweezers, and I'm just using tweezers that look like this. You can get this from a beauty supply store as well. And I just pick it up from the very end and gently pull. And then I just take off the lash. The next step you want to do is hold the lash with your tweezers like this. You don't want to do it like this because and you don't want to hold it too low like this because you won't really have control over the lash. So I just like to hold it right there. I place the lash on my lash line and see if I need to cut the lash a little bit. So I do need to cut a little bit. Normally I always have to cut lashes, but if you want your lashes to sit comfortably on your eye, this step you must do. I'm gonna go in with these little scissors that I got, and I'm just gonna cut off the very first bunch, which is this one right here. See that very first bunch? I'm cutting that off. And then you're gonna wanna repeat that on the other eyelash. After repeating that on the other lash, you're gonna wanna go back to your first lash and get your eyelash glue. The eyelash glue that I use is the Duo Clear Glue. It looks like this. It's kind of beaten up because I've been carrying it everywhere. Applicator looks like this. And I just apply it on the lash. You want to apply the glue right here. And I put a good amount on the two ends, just so they do not come off. And then you're just gonna repeat that to the other lash. So after you apply the lash glue onto the lashes, you want to give them about 30 seconds so that the lash glue can start getting tacky before you put on your lash. If you apply your lash glue on the lash and apply it right to your eye, it will not stay. Don't do that. If you apply the lash glue on your lash and you make it dry completely and apply it to your lash line, once again, it will not stay because it's dry. So you want to give it about 30 seconds. And I like the clear lash glue because it starts turning a bit blue when it starts to dry, and when it starts to turn blue, I like to give it a couple more seconds just to make sure that it's good, and then when I put on my eye, I'm set. For people who are not used to putting eyelashes on or do not know how to put on eyelashes, I recommend using clear glue because if you do mess up, it is the least visible rather than having black glue where people can see the black glue right on your lid when you place it in the wrong spot, or if it just comes off and touches your eyelid when it's not dry. So if you're a first-time eyelash applier or you just don't know how to put on lashes, I recommend using clear glue. Me personally, I'm good with putting lashes on. I just still use clear glue because I just prefer it. After giving the lashes about 30 seconds and it's looking like this, I believe it's ready to be placed onto my eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my mirror and I'm going to tilt it just a little bit. It's about this much tilted. And I'm just going to basically look straight forward. So it's on my lash line now. And I just use my fingers to make sure that it is sitting right above my lashes. Then I go in with the tweezer to stick the front of the lash in the front part of my eye, and just like that, your lash is applied. I do have another method which I feel is easier for people who are first-time appliers. You're going to tilt your mirror basically all the way up like this, and you're going to look down into it. You're going to take the lash, place it on your lash line, connect it, use your fingers to help you out a bit. And there you go, your lashes are applied. Lastly, you just want to play with them a little bit, make sure that nothing's coming off, it looks good. You want to make sure it doesn't feel weird, so it's not bothering you. You want to make sure it's comfortable. And so far, I'm loving how they feel and how they look. So I think I'm good. I'm just going to go back with my mascara and apply some mascara on the bottom lashes. And there you go. Both methods I feel are very helpful, especially the look down method. You're able to see the lashes lay on your lash line from the spaces in your lashes. So I feel like that one is really helpful. The straightforward method is pretty good. That's the one I tend to use more because I feel like once I place it, the lash just sits right on my lash line. So either one I feel will be good for you. If you do have any questions, please write them down below and I will get back to you guys ASAP once somebody comments on my video. I always try to be quick with it because I always get a notification. So I hope this was very helpful. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you next time. Let's go.